What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dream It, Rebuild It. Today we got some parts. We got a front bumper, we got the AC condenser and the radiator. You guys will not believe how much I picked this up for. When I found all the parts, I was really surprised of the prices. Very reasonable, a fraction of dealer cost. Everything is supposed to be a straight up OEM replacement, but it is aftermarket. But it's supposed to fit up like OEM, so we'll see, we'll find out. Never dealt with this kind of stuff before, so we're learning together. So the game plan today is to remove the AC condenser and the radiator, decompress the radiator and the AC compressor, because I think they're all still under pressure, even though it's damaged, but it's still holding pressure. So we are gonna get into it and get it switched out, see how far we get. If we get good timing, we'll jump into the airbag and into the seatbelt. But for now, let's focus on the main part. Let's get to it. Got the radiator out, got the condenser out. Made a tad bit of a mess, but nothing that can be fixed or cleaned. So now what we're gonna do while we're letting that drain out there, we're gonna swap the fans onto the new radiators and put them all back in. So it's the next day. My battery died yesterday, unfortunately, but we got the radiator in and we got the condenser in. Today we're gonna fill up the radiator, button everything up, and test fit the bumper possibly, and keep going. here we have it. We got the front end assembled. We're still waiting on the fog lights. They should be arriving shortly in the mail. I'm still thinking what to do about the seat belt. Trying to find one. If not, then we'll get that repaired. And still hunting for an airbag. That's probably the most toughest thing to find for this vehicle. There's not a lot of them out there, and if there is some, they're really, really pricey. But other than that, overall, the aftermarket fitment, my rating, I would say 8 out of 10. It fits pretty good. It looks really good. All the body lines match really well. The bumper fit really nicely. The body lines are really good on it. Everything matches up nicely. Nothing too dramatic. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. For the price, you can't beat it, definitely. We're gonna keep going at this. Everything's going good so far. I'm happy with the results that are happening. Really excited to get this going. I'm excited to jump into paint and sanding. That'll be fun. And yeah, till the next one, appreciate you guys as always for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and till we meet again.